Vintage Backyard RC.
Hello, friends, and welcome. Well, it's raining out. That makes me sad. The good news is I do have a running video in the works, but I can't finish it because it's raining out. So I figured it'd be fun to show you how we shoot the slow motion. It's a big part of our channel. Now, I just want to say before I continue on here, I'm holding a Galaxy S20. It's been our mainstay for shooting everything, and I just picked up this new Galaxy S23 Ultra, which has all kinds of who was it's and doodiddles and fancy things, which I'll post up. And supposedly it's the latest and the greatest, so we'll see how it handles the slow motion. We originally were shooting everything on this Galaxy S8. It was a great phone, is a great phone, and I still use it for shooting some of the video. The deck cam is usually this camera, just to let you guys know. I have a GoPro 8 and a GoPro 11. They also handle slow motion, but in a little bit different format. Now, real quick, the Galaxy phones are nice because they have a slow motion or super slow motion way to shoot. It handles everything internally in the camera. So when you're done your clip, you throw it in your video editing software, and it's ready to go. It's either already set at slow motion or super slow motion. The GoPros, for me, do things a little bit differently. Now, these just shoot at 240 frames per second when you're in slow motion mode. And when you throw it into your video editing software, the video looks normal, not slowed down. And what you do is just take your velocity setting for that video or whatever program you're using, slow the speed down, and you get a nice slow motion look out of everything. So that's it. I'm going to play a clip out of all these cameras, including the one I'm holding, and we'll show you slow motion and super slow motion. Now the GoPros will be turned down a percentage to match super slow motion. That's hard to say. And we'll see how everything looks. I will tell you guys, I am not happy with the quality of these slow motion videos. None of it that I ever shoot. And apparently to make a really nice super slow motion video or slow motion video, you need a pretty expensive camera in the tens of thousands of dollars, which is never going to happen for us. So for now, we'll make do with what we have, and we'll try to make it look the best we can. That's enough of me talking. Let's show the clips and be done with this video. I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys are camera guys that are into this, take a look at the channel. You can see what we do with these things, and everybody rock on and take care. think as the technology has advanced, the slow motion has got slightly better. It's not 4K at 9,000 frames per second, but I got what I got. I think the GoPros do look good when you slow them down, as long as you don't get too slow with them, and then they get real choppy. And that S23 Ultra looks nice. Not that much better than the S20 though, to be honest with you. So we'll work on that. Anyone that has tips, please comment down below. I'd love to hear some insight, whether it's hardware or software related, to make these videos look better. So that's it. Everyone take care. Please sub, ring that bell, and of course, rock on.